Hello. For this video, I'm going to quickly go over some signs, and I'm not going to explain them that much because I don't want to spend too much time for this video. So I just want to quickly go over them. Yeah, okay. So we have tall person, short person, thin object, large person, hair, short hair, shoulder length hair, and long hair. Okay, I'm separating this into small parts. Okay, tall person, short person, thin person. Oh yeah, and usually for tall and short, if you remember like someone's height, then you usually can try to show their height. Otherwise, the general term for short is like this and tall is like that. Okay. Thin person. So keep in mind, so watch what I'm doing with my mouth, because some of these signs you have to make certain expressions with your mouth. So thin person. Thin object. Large person. Hair. Short hair. So short hair. Shoulder length hair. Long hair. Alright, the next group: buzzed hair, curly hair, bald, hat or cap, glasses, and sunglasses. So buzzed hair. So hair and then buzzed. Your mouth, I guess, can pretend like you're making the buzzing sound, but you don't actually make the buzzing sound. So buzzed hair. Curly hair. Bald. Hat or cap. Glasses. Sunglasses. You finger spell sun. S-U-N. I have a video where I teach the ABC, so you can go check that out, and then to learn all the letters in the alphabet. So sunglasses. So you spell out sun and then you do the sign glasses. So sun glasses. That. That one. So you start off with that, and then you go to one. That one. Coat or jacket. Mustache. Beard. Shirt or volunteer. Short sleeve. Long sleeve. Stripes. Plural. So vertical stripes. It's a forehand shape and you go like that. Vertical stripes. Horizontal stripes. Stripe, singular. Vertical stripe. Horizontal stripe. Plaid. Polka dotted. You have two F-hand shapes and you go like this. Polka dotted. buttons. And last but not least, tie. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to make it shorter because it's easier for me. I don't want to use up all my energy. I don't know. Okay. Thank you. Bye.